And welcome. The purpose of this session is to showcase how to get started with the smartQED Slack bot. One of the first things that we will need to do is to connect to a smartQED application and thereafter to a problem within that application. So let's see how to do that. Every command in the smartQED Slack bot starts with a /QED. Now, one of the first things that we want to do is to connect to a particular application. So the command to do that is /QED connect app. So once we type that, we will be provided with a drop down from which we will need to select an application that we want to connect to. So you can browse through this list. Let's connect with this one. And I can connect myself or I can connect everybody in my team. As of now, let me just connect myself. We'll connect my team members later. As you can see, a prompt saying that I'm connected with this particular application, Slackbot 1.0. Now, like I said earlier, I need to connect to a particular problem within this application. So let me select a problem. Let me select this one. Once again, I can connect myself or I can connect my entire team. As of now, let me just connect myself. I'll connect my team members later. So this is how we connect to a particular application and within that to a particular problem. Typically what a team member would do when investigating an incident. But what if I'm the team leader and I want to create a problem in the first place? Well, the way to do that is through a command called add prob. Prob is short for problem. And we will provide some basic information like a problem number, whatever that you want it to be, some new problem. This is just a random text that I've typed. You can type whatever you want. Priority, let's leave it unassigned for the time being, description, etc. We can fill it up later. Now this problem will be created and you will get the confirmation there. We can go ahead and edit this problem, but in order to do that, we first need to connect to this problem. So select prob, and now we will select this problem that we entered. We said DN99, so let's select this one, connect just myself for the time being, and now we are connected to this problem and we can edit it. And the command to edit a problem is edit prob. Remember, we can edit only problems to which we are connected. Now this is what we filled in earlier, DN99, some new problem. We left the priority as unassigned. Let's assign something now, P2 maybe, and problem description, some description, and submit. And just to confirm that these changes have indeed been effected, we can go and try to edit the problem again, and we will see that the priority has indeed become P2, some description comes here, etc., etc. So this is how we connect to a particular application and within that to a particular problem. We can also create our own problems. Thank you.